I smell dryers. I've got to be close. Oh wait, I think that's literally it right there. Yeah, that's it. All right, and here it is. I was on the wrong side of the road, but whatever. Let's go inside, take a look. I'm very excited. So I've found what I believe to be HISP Horizon machines. Not entirely sure. Someone's gonna have to inform me of what it is, but this one's running. I think these are the ones that have 1,200 RPM spin, which is nice. But yeah, these are very interesting machines. I've never actually seen one before or really handled one, but yeah, nice. Got little soap dispensers too. Maddox's Laundry Adventures wanted to see me do the ketchup test in one of these machines, and I've redesigned my ketchup test, so I'll get to this soon. Other than that, oh, we've got more over here. These appear to be the same. I know there's different types. Oh, here we go. Got hard mounts. Check this out. I've never seen a Speed Clean hard mount before. I know, something you probably never hear. This machine's going at it. Yeah. Some smaller ones. Some huge ones over here. Holy cow. This thing's bigger than the Maytag. Yeah. So overall, I'd say this is a pretty good laundromat. I'll definitely be recording at least one video here because of the Horizon machine. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you want to see more of just these random laundromat reviews that I stumble upon rather than just the normal videos.